everyone, this is Natalie with Keyprint Co. and this week we're going to be using our brand new face mask kit for heat press to make some can koozies. Now if you don't know what a koozie is, it's basically a neoprene sleeve that goes around the can of your drink to keep it cold. And as we're right in the middle of summer here in California at least, we wanted to walk you through the entire process using heat transfer vinyl to make these. Now can koozies aren't just popular for Etsy sellers, they're also a really big choice for company promotional bags, goodie bags, giveaways, things like that. So whether your print shop is big or small, this printing option is for you. And without further ado, let's get started. To load the koozie on the platen, just place it right on top of that 3x4 top plate, place the hoop around it, and you're all set. To cut out our design, we're using our Great Cuts vinyl cutter and the software that comes with it to print out the design itself so that we can turn it into vinyl and heat press it onto the koozie. The next step, weed the design out of the vinyl. This little bit here is optional. I'm just cutting off the excess transfer plastic from around the design just because it makes it sit better on the apparel itself, but you don't have to do that. You can just use transfer tape to stick it on and then you're all set. Then, where the vinyl is placed where you'd like it to go, just take the platen and put it on the heat press adapter, press for 10 seconds, and you're good. Then you're going to want to peel off the excess plastic immediately, take the platen off the heat press adapter, unload the apparel, and it's all done. Alright friends, that's it for this video. The face mask kit for heat press is live now on our website, so if you want to grab one for yourself, you can head over there. Make sure you check out last week's video where we did direct-to-film transfers on some face masks, and stay tuned for all of the other heat press content that we have coming up. Make ssure to check us out on Instagram at Keyprint Co, where you can see all the things that we print and press here every single day. Expand your printing options, learn about all that we have to offer. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.